Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Fiverr success tips for 2025, actionable strategies to help you attract more clients, boost your earnings, and stand out in the competitive freelancing marketplace. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more freelancing tips and guides. First, focus on optimizing your profile in gigs. Use a professional profile picture, write a clear and engaging bio, and craft keyword-rich gig titles and descriptions. Make sure your gigs clearly explain what clients will get, include high-quality images, and if possible, add a short video to showcase your skills. Visuals and clarity make a huge difference in attracting clients. Next, deliver excellent service consistently. Meet deadlines, communicate clearly, and go the extra mile to exceed client expectations. Positive reviews are essential in 2025, as they boost your ranking on Fiverr and build trust with future clients. Remember, repeat clients are often the easiest way to grow your income. Another tip is to price your services strategically. Start with competitive rates to attract your first clients, then gradually increase prices as you gain reviews and credibility. Offering multiple packages with different levels of service also helps cater to clients with varying budgets. Stay active and responsive. Fiverr rewards freelancers who respond quickly to inquiries and maintain regular activity on the platform. Being prompt and professional increases your chances of landing projects and getting featured in Fiverr's search results. Finally, keep learning and adapting. Freelancing trends and client expectations evolve, so regularly update your gigs, explore new skills, and offer services that are in demand. Staying proactive ensures you remain competitive and relevant in 2025 and beyond. In short, Fiverr's success in 2025 comes down to an optimized profile, excellent service, strategic pricing, responsiveness, and continuous learning. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to building a thriving freelancing career. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow freelancers, and subscribe for more tips on succeeding on Fiverr and other online platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.